Hey guys, I wanted to walk you through an oil change on a Kawasaki 300 Bayou. To remove the drain plug, you're going to need a 17mm socket. And change the oil filter. These two 8mm bolts are going to need to come out. Then when you get it pulled out, it's going to look like this. Okay guys, I picked up it's a high flow. Part number is a HF123 filter to go back in it. Yeah, I'm just using the 1040 I picked up at Honda. And if you can tell, this Lucas, I've had it for a while. You can tell how sticky this stuff is. Some of the residue where I used it last is run off the sides. These are actually gnats that have landed on it and get stuck. I mean, that's how sticky this stuff is. I like to add a little bit just for peace of mind. Had real good luck out of the Lucas products. Okay, when you're putting your oil filter back on, make sure you clean around this O-ring. Just slide right on there. And now it's ready to go back in. Okay, you're gonna put the oil filter back in. Now these are easy to strip, you know, just hand tighten them, don't overdo it. And go ahead and put some oil back in. You can see they've got a viewing glass down here. You can actually tell it's got two lines. You want to keep it right there between the two lines. Okay, you ended up taking a little over 2 quarts to fill it up. It's right here between the line, if you can see that. And it's real important, guys, make sure that you're using motorcycle oil in these because it has the wet clutch. If you put just straight motor oil in it, that clutch is going to start slipping because it doesn't have the additives. So make sure, whichever oil you use, make sure it's compatible with your wet clutch.